Today I would like to share with you a secret from the kitchen. Yes, we have a lot of secret in our Indian kitchen, but we are hardly aware of it. This one thing is going to solve a lot of problems for many of us. This is called moat beans or matki beans. These are beans which are brown in color, a little lot like moong dal, but it is not a moong dal, and it's a smaller in size, and you can have it in a sprout form, or you can also have it in the form of sabji or dal, or mix it up with vegetables and make it. So these moat beans are known to be a storehouse of minerals and vitamins which is needed for the well-being of our body. Now let's get to know what are the amazing benefits that we can get from these moat. The first thing that I can say about moat beans is that it contains calcium and phosphorus. And calcium and phosphorus are both known to make your bones stronger. It's supposed to strengthen your bones. A lot of women tend to have issues with their bones after the age of 30 because, osteoporosis or brittle bones. So this is going to help you. If you include this into your diet, it's going to help you. Next, it contains fiber. Now, what does fiber do? Fiber prevents constipation. Yes. So your bowel system is going to get automatically going to get running very smoothly and easily. And in the long run, it's going to benefit. That it contains are a lot of vitamins. Vitamins like zinc, iron, potassium, magnesium. Yes. These help you to build your immunity, and in general, they help you fight diseases. So these are a storehouses, and these contain a lot of these vitamins which are needed for our body. Zinc, as we know, is an antioxidant, and it lowers the stress and it reduces stress. So we need to have a lot of zinc in our food. This provides you with that. This is a very good source of plant protein. So vegetarians who are not getting that amount of protein for muscle building, protein is needed for muscle building, because we are vegetarians and we're not eating animals, or we're not getting the protein from it. So this is going to help you in that. It repairs muscles, it builds muscles. Next, it contains vitamin B. Vitamin B provides you with energy and reduces cholesterol. It also benefits you for weight loss. Weight loss, why? People who are trying to lose a lot of weight, if we have this in our diet, it makes you fuller. And the protein content is going to make you fuller. So automatically your intake of food will be reduced, and this will take its place. It also contains iron. Iron fights immunity, it fights fatigue, so it's very much important. The thing it does is that it fights the blood sugar level in our body. So people who have a little bit of issue with blood sugar, with insulin, can definitely add this to their diet. Also, sprouting it reduces the level of phytic acid in our body. Phytic acid is an anti-nutrient, meaning that it does not help you absorb nutrition or nutritions and vitamin from the food. So phytic acid prevents you from doing it. And if you have this moat into your diet, then it reduces the levels of phytic acid. So automatically you will be able to absorb and extract your iron, your vitamins from your other food, other diet that you're taking very easily. So as we can all see that this is a secret from the kitchen, and including it into your diet is going to help you in the long run. And there are various forms in which you can take these matki beans or moat beans. It's easily available, as I said, in general stores, in your kirana stores, in departmental stores. Also, you can get it very easily online. So definitely look into it and add it to your diet. There are various forms in which you can take it. You can take it in the form of dal. You can take it in the form of sabji by adding vegetables, making sabji out of it. Or you can sprout it. Sprout it and take it in as salad. So today I'm going to show you how you can sprout these moat beans in your home very easily. It's just going to take you a a day or so, a night and a day or so, few hours, and these will be ready. These are delicious to eat, and not only to eat, these are so good for your body. So I hope that this helps you, and you can make these in your home and serve it to your family. So friends, how did you like my video today? This is about a little bit of wellness to ourselves, a little bit of good health to ourselves. I thought by including, we have such a stressful life, and now with this pandemic conditions, our stress levels are so high. We're not being able to really work out our body. We're not being able to lead a normal life. So by making these small changes in our diet, it can definitely keep us more healthy and more fitter. So if you have liked the video, do give in your likes. If you think that you would want to subscribe to me to see such more interesting videos coming your way, do subscribe and hit the bell button, and also comment. Do give in your comments. I love reading them. It's a way to get connected to all of you, to all my subscribers. So do give in your comments, do like my video, and do subscribe to me. I hope to keep you entertained, and I shall see you in the next video that's coming soon. Bye-bye.